Go ahead.
Hello, I'm Emily Yale. I'm a 4-H'er from New Haven County. This is my laser cut box that I made in high school in my independent drafting class. So what I did was I made the file in a program called AutoCAD. And I couldn't decide exactly what to put on my box. So I decided that all of the cutouts from this large box were going to come together and be glued together to make the smaller box. And this was the first time that anyone in my drafting class had ever thought to do something like this. My teacher was quite impressed with the idea. It took me about 10 hours to put the file together, and then another 5 hours to assemble the two boxes. The smaller box took a considerable amount of that time to put together. I put the large box together in about 5 minutes. This is one of my favorite projects I have ever made. I think it's incredibly cool. Everyone else thinks it's a very cool project because not a lot of people make laser cut art.
Is that glued together?
Yes, the box is glued together with wood glue. It's made out of a 1/4-inch wood stock that comes from the company that makes the laser cutter. It comes pre-finished, and the best part about it is the surface, while shiny, doesn't reflect back into the laser and destroy the laser. My independent drafting project this year was making a pickup truck in SolidWorks. This shows the evolution of the truck. I started out with very boxy shapes and then slowly added more curves, details, and rounded all the edges until it became something that looked quite like a pickup truck. And then what I did was I found wheels off of a free CAD website, created the wheel rims, created the brackets to attach the wheels, and created the axle shafts, and assembled everything in SolidWorks. Then I printed the entire piece on a 3D printer. I used a MakerBot replicator too. The entire project took 65 hours to print. The body of the truck is 5 shells and 5% fill. It took over 38 hours to print. The whole project does actually function as a moving toy, and it will roll. It took me another 65 hours in SolidWorks to make the entire truck. It was a very complex project. I actually spent about 10 hours going to different professionals that I knew and asking them different questions about SolidWorks and how to produce all of these complicated curves. The front end of the truck was by far the most complicated. In order to make the nose the way that it is, this is about 7 different curves. And actually, even the side view mirror contains about 4 different curves to make this assemble, or to make this piece the way it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
still on my back after all these years, chasing me out of hell in my nice veneers. I don't know how you stand when you got no floor, or how you can breathe with your hands on board. Just wanna be not what I am today. Just wanna be better than my friends might say. I just wanna start part in your passion play. You hear when I call in the midst of wrong? Do you hear these here words while I sing this song? Are you caught up in me like I heard you say? Just some big cashier that I'll have to pay. Just wanna be not what I am today. Just wanna be better than my friends might say. I just wanna start part in your passion play.
Tons of insects every year. Bats pollinate many plants, including bananas and other tropical fruits. Bats help to reseed rainforests. Our local bat buddies. Bats of Connecticut are all insect eaters. There are 8 kinds. Well, 7, one is kind of incidental. They rid us of countless bugs, including those that carry disease and destroy crops. Bats are nature's pest control, safe, effective, and they do it for free.
But we have a nice open area back.
Okay, Wally. And now the Tucker family. Tucker family, Green, Rhode Island, Duke and Dick. Joe Tucker driving. Oh, I like those. These are tenders, Joe. Diane, Stevens, and Chad. Okay, Joe? Yeah. And now it's median pole with Dick and Jimmy. This is Mary Margaret. You won't find a better teamster than Mary Margaret.